In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Sendwave to M-Pesa. This straightforward tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, making it easy to transfer funds to loved ones securely and efficiently. Let's get started by opening up the Sendwave application on your device. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the upper right corner where you'll see a country flag icon. Click on that flag to choose the country where your recipient is located. Whether they're in Kenya, Tanzania, or Uganda, selecting the right country ensures that your transaction will be directed to the appropriate M-Pesa network. Next, you'll need to input your personal information. Enter your name, date of birth, and the purpose of your account. Additionally, fill in your billing address, including the zip code, city, and state. It's important to ensure all this information is accurate because it helps verify your identity and secures your transaction. After you've entered your details, click on the Finish button. This simple action will save your information and move you forward in the process. Now it's time to specify why you're making the transfer. Choose your primary reason for transferring these funds. Options typically include sending money for personal reasons, paying for services, or other common financial transactions. Selecting the right option helps the service to categorize and process your payment correctly. Once your reasons are logged, click on Continue to proceed with your identity verification. It's an essential step that protects both you and the recipient by ensuring that the transaction is legitimate. Following this, you need to verify your identity further by selecting a country and then choosing a document to confirm your identity. This could be a passport, driver's license, or any government-issued ID. Make sure your document is up to date and unexpired for a smooth verification process. With your document selected, hit Continue and proceed to the next screen. Here, you'll start the identity verification process by clicking Start. This typically involves confirming additional details or taking a photograph, so make sure you have your document ready. Once your identity is verified, click Done to complete this part of the process. Now you're ready to move on to a quick face recording. This step adds an extra layer of security by ensuring that the person making the transaction is physically present. Finally, once the recording is complete, follow the prompts to finalize the send. This will complete your transaction and you'll receive a notification confirming that your money is on its way to your recipient's M-Pesa account. By following these steps, you'll successfully transfer money from Sendwave to M-Pesa with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching and happy transferring.